Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so this is week 1 of the Click and Grow Smart Garden 9. I'm going to be doing these update videos, so stay tuned because I'm going to be doing them week by week. And if you want to start from the beginning, you guys can head down to the description below. I will have the first episode, which was the unboxing and setup of the Click and Grow Smart Garden 9. Alright, so first updates with everything. I received the extra pods that I've ordered. So this is the basil. I got 2 kale and an extra tomato. Even though it comes with the 3 that you see here, lettuce, tomato, and basil, I got extra because they are selling out, and during this time of everything, it's 2020, it's a little bit hard to find certain plants and veggies. So that's why I ordered extra, so that when these are all done, then I'll already have another set. So you can see that they've started growing, and they grew a lot faster than I had anticipated. And you'll see that there are 3 domes that have been removed. These are the domes right here, and we just removed them because they were already starting to touch the edge of the dome. And it said in the instructional manual that when it starts to grow and it starts to touch, then just remove the dome. This is to create like a greenhouse effect in the beginning when they first start growing. So far we've removed 3 of them. So I'll do a zoom up in a second, but you can see that they are all growing except for this one right here. This tomato, I don't see any activity happening just yet. I am hopeful for it. Alright, so let's zoom in and see the growing action. Alright, so you can see that we've got the lettuce going on. They are growing the fastest. The tomatoes are growing the slowest. But you can see they've got a little sprout going on. And then the basil here at the end are growing in quite nicely. They grow differently. So it's really cool to see all this growth happening. And you know, I did notice that right away, like on day 3, the lettuce started growing. I already started seeing little sprouts happening from the seeds already from day 3. And you can see here at the end, that's the little water tank thing that shows you how much water is left. And you can see that there's still quite a bit of water left. It's been 7 days, and this is supposed to go down to like the bottom right there before you fill it up again. So I'm quite pleased with everything. I like how it's looking. I'm excited. I find myself checking it out multiple times a day, just seeing it grow. You can actually see it grow throughout the day. You'll look at it, you know, in the morning, and then by the nighttime, it's grown so much. Oh, another thing I have to note is this light is really bright. And right now on my camera, I actually have an ND filter, which is basically like sunglasses, because if I were to take it off, it's really, really bright. And so initially I had plugged it in at the 8 p.m. time slot, and then it would be on throughout the night, and I thought I'd be okay with it on, but it actually did affect my sleep, so I had to change the cycle, and I woke up this morning at 6:30. I had unplugged it during my sleep, and then 6:30 in the morning I woke up, plugged it back in, so now this is gonna go until about 10:30 p.m. and then it'll shut off at 10:30 p.m. and then I'll turn back on at 6:30 a.m. So that is the week 1 update with the Click and Grow Smart Garden 9. Again, if you want to check out the other episodes before this, you can head down to the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.